Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crop an image to a shape in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1, create a new layer and right click on your mouse. Use any tool like rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygonal. Example, use custom shape, edit all shape, then example press enter, new a shape, hold shift, draw a fixed size shape. See this unlock to this image, double click the lock icon, click OK. Then draw image up to shape, then right click on your mouse, create clipping mask and move your image, press Ctrl T, hold shift, then resize image. And step 2, select pen tool, right click on your mouse, select the pen tool, use path, then click anywhere, create a custom shape, right click on your mouse, make selection feather 0 pixels, click OK. Then create a clipping mask. That's it. Press Ctrl J for resize shape. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.